Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I've got another haul for you, but I'm also going to be testing out some new molds, as you saw from the title. Before I get into the Dollar Tree haul, I've got some new glitters. These are from Renfio. They're out of the box, so that's why there's no, I don't know why they don't like label their actual bottles. But for Halloween, of course, I had to pick up this gorgeous purple holographic and this gorgeous orange holographic glitter. So I'm excited to play with these. I don't know if I'll be playing with them today because I'm using UV resin. So I'm a little nervous about it actually curing if I put glitter in it. But wanted to show you guys those. Okay. So this is in no particular order. I literally just have the bag beside me and I'm just pulling stuff at random. Some of this stuff will be for home decor, some will be for the channel. I think the majority is for the channel, but this is one of the pieces that's for home decor. It is this adorable 12-inch stacked pumpkin decor. You can see right there what it's supposed to look like once it's all done, but it comes with all 3 pumpkin pieces and you stack them together. So those were very cute. This next one is also for lay home decor. I already took the label off, but it is one of those, what do you call those? Projectors? Look, a projection is struggling with the word projector. Sure. Let me turn these off. And it's already got batteries in it. But it does blink throughout the different colors. It's very cool. I tried this on my front porch at night, and it does a really good job of projecting on the ceiling and on the walls at the same time. Again, $1.25. If it's, you know, if it dies after Halloween, I'm okay with that. Yes. This, I'm not sure if it's going to be for Halloween or maybe Christmas, but I got one of the domed cloches. It's, does it say how high? Yes. 5.7 inches tall. But yeah, just, you know, wanted to try something, probably something with resin. Okay. I picked up some of these bones. You get 18 in there. And they are, like, they're hard. Does it say what it's made out of? No, it does not. But, they're really good quality, it looks like. So I got those. And then I got, let me see. I got 2 of these because I thought these were really cute. Glass laboratory flasks. See if I can back up the camera a bit. There we go. So I got 2 of these. They do come with a cork. And they are in fact glass. Wait, are these different size? Oh my god, I just realized these are different sizes. Ah! That's so funny. When I grabbed them, I thought it was just one size. Yay. Okay, that's really cool. I'm excited about that as well. And speaking of glass bottles, if I can find the other 2 sets in my bag of goodies. Here they are. So, glass bottle decor, but these come with the little labels. So they say unfiltered poison, trimmed spider web, although I don't know how you would trim a spider web, witch's brew, and then this one is wool of bat. And it comes, this I already knew, comes in 3 different sizes. So you've got the small, medium, and large, and they are glass, as you can hear, and they all say the same thing on the labels. So yeah, I did try to see if there were different ones, but there aren't. Okay, For Resin Crafts, I also picked up 2 of these. They're little wooden boxes. But I'm planning to put resin into these little pieces, you know, the empty pieces. And obviously paint them, and then you can slide this open and you can put a, you know, a fake candle in there, like a battery operated candle. So I got 2 of those, and in the same vein, I got 2 of these jack-o'-lantern face pails. I think they're so cute. Let me put something behind that so you guys can see the face. There we go. So it's on 2 sides of the pail. And again, I'm going to put some tape behind it, fill it in with some kind of resin, and then these I'm going to put on my front porch. And because this is metal, I can put like an actual flame in there, but we'll see what I end up doing with it. I might do fairy lights instead. But yeah, so I got 2 of these, one for, you know, both sides of my front porch. I thought those were very cute. I got some napkins. And I'm trying to remember if this is the same napkin set as I got last year. I really hope it's not. But for some reason I'm thinking it is. And if it is, I'll be very disappointed because I still have a lot of those left. But I still really like the print of it. And then these were super cute. You get 16 napkins in each. We've got a little flask. It's a spider venom and a spider on it, and then a skull. So I was thinking these would make adorable coasters. So I got those. This is not for arts and crafts. I hate to disappoint you, but I just thought it was so cute that I had to pick it up. It's a ghosty gumball machine. And it does open so you can put your candies in there. It also works. And it can come out. I mean, I couldn't, he was the only one left. I couldn't leave him there. I just thought he was just too freaking precious. And, you know, with the ghost theme that I'm on this year, I had to have him. He's just so cute. Okay, last few things. Wait, is that something? No, that's a tag. Okay. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but I just found out that Dollar Tree is selling acrylic boards. These are covered, so you do have to peel, you know, your thing back. But they've got them in 5x7 and also in 4x6. So, I have an idea for these. I'm not sure the execution, but I'm sure whatever I decide, it'll look terrible. And I'll hate it. That's a joke. Okay. Last crafty Halloween thing that we're not playing with today are these rub-on transfers. It says Happy Halloween. It's very, very cute. I just wanted to grab a couple of these to make a set of, a twin set of coasters. Because I think they would be so cute as coasters. And then I could find something else to do with the other 2 coasters. So, yes. Now, all of that is to say, let me pause the video, clear off all of this mess, and we will get into what you probably came for. The molds. Wait, I forgot something. It was stuck in the side of the bag. These are window clings. Pumpkin Party, Spooktacular, Boo, Halloween, Happy Halloween, Happy Halloween, Let's Get Spooky, Trick or Treat, and Eek. But I thought these were so cute, and I want to try something special with these. So, yes, definitely stick around for 13 days of Resinween as well. Okay, back to the show. Okay, I found these 2 molds there. They're pendant molds, and they do have the little pendant holes. Most of them do anyway. But I just wanted to see the quality of these. I know that I've gotten some of their molds before, I think. I'm pretty sure. Didn't I when I tried out the Dollar Tree resin? I don't know. If I did, I'll link that video up there so you guys can check it out. But I wanted to see how these were. They seem like they're really good quality, although they're not shiny at all on the inside, or at least that one isn't. Yeah, that one's not really either. It's already got... How in the world did I already get stuff on this? I literally just opened it. But anyway... Ooh, this one's kind of cool because it comes with, like, the one at the top and then the 3 at the bottom. So you could, you know, make a couple of these dangly pieces to hang from it. Yeah, I just wanted to see the quality and let you guys know how shiny it is and how they work. So I'm going to grab my, oh, I already have it right next to me, Total Boat EV resin. I'm probably going to use some alcohol inks in this. Definitely some glow powder since I have it sitting right next to me. I might try maybe the purple. I might. We'll see. But yeah, let me go ahead and get gloved up. We will add some music to this and my voice will be back for the demolding. So let's get started. Alright, about 3 minutes under the Let's Resin lamp. I did end up moving these to the lamp so that I could get both sides because it's just easier. Which one did I do? Oh, right. The clear is so clear that I couldn't tell that that was there. Anyway. Okay. I mean, you know. It's clear. It does have a bubble. Because of course it does. It's me. Why wouldn't it? Let's see it in this one. Nice. Clear square. Okay. The next was the purple, which turned out very, very pink. Not exactly the purple I was going for, but it's not terrible. Yeah. And then it was the glow in the dark. Nice. I will make these glow. Wait, where's my light? Shoot, I think my light is still upstairs. That's okay. Oh yeah, this is the one that I was really excited to play with. Whoops, if you could see it. It's a leaf. It's a cute little leaf. Okay, and then the glitter. I did end up using a little bit of glitter. I did not put a whole lot of glitter in there. Because again, I wanted these to actually like cure. And there you go. So overall, I would say that number one, I'm gonna charge these up with my flashlight. I would say that the molds are okay. They're not the best. They aren't very shiny at all. Like the shiny part is on the back. Like that's just the resin. This is the flat side. The side that is in the mold, and it's not shiny, or well, it's not as shiny as most of your molds are going to be, the ones that aren't matte, obviously. Hey, they glow. Yeah, they're okay for $1.25. It's not bad. And again, if you've never tried the Dollar Tree resin, just go check out my video on it. But if you're just getting into resin, molds can be one of the most expensive pieces. We're not talking about resin, which is absolutely the most expensive, but molds can be pretty expensive as well. So if you're just getting into resin, you're trying it out, seeing if you want it, these are not bad for the price. It's $1.25 for each mold. Yeah, but stay tuned to the channel because I have a new mold set coming that I am so excited about. It's from Little Windows Resin. If you know her channel, and if you've seen her recent releases, then you probably know which mold set I'm talking about. Kind of a similar thing, but yeah, they're okay. Not my favorite, but I do really like these leaves. I think the leaves are great. So I will probably crack these out again whenever I need like a little accent piece or something. But anyway, the haul and those molds are today's video. If you enjoyed that video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.